Welcome to another exciting episode of the FLB Club. What'd you think? I thought it was kind of stupid. But, hey, you know. So, I am on a road heading almost straight north out of Fruita, Colorado, which is really close to the Utah-Colorado border. And I'm with a group of guys. There's 5 of us. I think I'm probably the worst rider in the group. And we're going north somewhere up to those mountains off in the distance that you may or may not be able to see on this camera. But there's a hard trail that goes up a river, I think. I don't know, I've only heard vague rumors about it from Mark, otherwise known as Meeker Extreme. And he makes it sound like it's pretty tough. I think we've got about a 100-mile loop planned for today. We just drove 4 or 5 hours from Colorado Springs out to Fruita, and now we unloaded and suited up and hit the trail. This is the first real good test, first major ride on my brand new Rekluse clutch. It's a EXP 3.0 Rekluse clutch system. And I did take it out a little bit, just out on some snow and stuff and played around. But this will be the first real sort of long distance and hard terrain that I've taken it on. So really looking forward to seeing how it does. It's about a $400 clutch system for the DRZ. And I got it because, like I said a few videos back, I had a major problem with my nerves, and my clutch hand really kind of locks up, and after it tires out I just don't have the control I need. So hopefully this will let me be lazy in my old age and not really have to feather the clutch so much over the technical terrain. I'll just be able to put it in the right gear and focus on hanging onto the handlebar and gassing it up and not worry about slipping that clutch, because the Rekluse system should just do it for me, like magic. So I am super excited and really eager to try that out. And here's a sign we all know and love: pavement ends. Yeehaw! Whoa. Yeah, it looks like we gotta go up. Oh, we don't have to go up, but we're gonna go up. Hopefully my bike can chug up it. Whoa, there's like a drop-off right there. Woo! 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 That's a little weird with the Rekluse, having like no engine braking. And there they are, hiding under a big overhang. That's pretty cool. Oh, probably just making sure I survived this. It's nice of them. That's good stuff. Yeah! Oh, which way did we go? I'm gonna guess we went up the trail. Jeez. Yeah, I'm really loving this Rekluse now. Holy cow. It was like at one point I was completely off the gas and my bike didn't die. It just kind of let me do that. That's like, seriously, it's like cheating.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Whoa.
Hey.
What the?
Hey there.
Well, I don't know if you're going to be on my comm or not. Or on my video or not. What the hell is this? Good God.
You got it. You're a pro. We're hooked. It gets easier.
Oh. Yeah.
Maybe.
Woo. Yeah, this is pretty challenging. I'm loving that Rekluse.
So am I, actually. It's slick mud, too.
Yeah. Holy.
Whoa.
So you're actually trying to kill me, aren't you?
I am. I'll stop and wait. Oh, he's doing it.
I'm right here.
Yeah. He's doing it. Okay.
Woo. Yeah, that's a little heavy breathing, huh?
Yeah. Are you tired?
No, I'm good. Woo. Holy. Good God. So should I be down in the river? It looks a lot easier.
Yeah, river.
Man, I just want to take a minute to enjoy this awesome spot. It's like a bowl in the side of this cliff
Yeah,
that the river's carved out. Woo! This is awesome. Oh, you tried to hit the boulder.
And I sunk.
Holy shit. Jesus. Up that way? Holy, look at that rock. Yep. Which way? Probably the road. I'm guessing. Whoa! Well, that's not very comforting. Oh! First down. Yeah, this is pretty... oh, shit, there's like a dip right there, too. Oh, God.
Oh. You made it look easy.
Let me get out of the way.
Now it's all wet.
Whoa. This is freaking cool. Oh, man, I need to get down there. Wow. This is freaking sweet. Woo, sandy. This is where they hide the dead bodies. And the fun is, well, I mean, it's already started, but I think it's about to start. Maybe even a little more. Holy, yeah. Oh God. Look at this shit. I don't think I'm taking that line. Well, maybe I will. And he's down. Holy. Oh. Nice. Okay, this is really scary. I'm psyching myself out. What? Okay. Nice. Woo. This is probably the hardest trail I've ever ridden. I would say prior to this, that honor went to Taylor Pass. But this is harder, I'm pretty sure. At least the few bad spots. Oh boy. I wonder what the line here is. Test that Rekluse. And it's definitely working. Oh my God. Nice. This looks tough. Woo! Man, this is nuts. Oh, Mickey's gonna throw a boulder at me. Huh. Oh, it's just slick. Oh, shit. Do I go straight or what? Holy fuck.
Right up that ledge. There you go.
Holy shit. Woo! Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, we have to go up?
Yeah.
I thought we were going that way. Shit. Alright. Holy shit. Oh my God. I guess I'll have to back up. Whoa! We almost had a looper.
There goes Josh.
Oh. Once again, Rekluse made it easy. Oh! Woo! Whoa, that's some mud. My back wheel is all over the place. Oh shit. There's a car. How? How is that even possible? Man, this is seriously amazing. We have not seen one other person on the trails today. Hopefully the payoff up here is a beautiful view, a nice big overlook. And man, what a day. And I've got 3 more days of riding after today to look forward to. Wow.
That's the one that looks like on the map it disconnects to.
Nice overlook. It's gorgeous. It's pretty high.
Fuck. That's what happened.